Hi there, welcome once again. Today's topic is how to increase C drive disk space. As you can see guys, my C drive disk is almost full. So I need to extend C drive for more disk space. So just click on Windows search box and type disk management and press enter. Now disk management window has been opened. Guys, before proceeding, let me clear one thing which is most important. If I want to extend or increase C drive, then I have to need unallocated disk partition just near of C drive. In my case, I have to make F drive unallocated disk partition, which is most important. Before doing this, I have to shift my data from F drive to another drive because I am going to make this drive unallocated. Then I can merge all unallocated disk space into my C drive. Well, I will divide F drive into two parts. Then I will transfer my data from F drive to newly created drive. Right click on F drive and choose shrink volume. And here we can enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. I am going to enter 81920 MB, which is 80 GB, and click on shrink. As you can see guys, 80 GB unallocated disk space is ready. And now right click on it and choose new simple volume. Then click on next, then next, and here you can choose drive letter and click on next and finish. So guys, I have created new logical drive which is new volume and drive letter is R. And now I am going to transfer my important data from drive F to drive R. So guys, I have transferred all my data from F to R, which is my newly created drive. Now right click on drive F and choose delete volume. The caution message popped up. Read carefully, then click on yes, because this process will erase all data on this drive. So please back up any data you want to keep before deleting. So guys, we created 105.55 GB unallocated disk space. To extend the C drive volume, right click on C drive and choose extend volume, and here click on next, then next, and finish. It is done guys. My C drive disk space has been increased. So guys, if you found this video useful, so please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.